Meaning of depressurization.
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 Depressurization. Depressurization refers to the process of reducing the atmospheric pressure or pressure in a specific area. The result of depressurization can vary depending on the context. In the context of an aircraft, sudden depressurization can cause a loss of oxygen that leads to hypoxia, while in a pressurized container, depressurization can cause a release of the contained gas or liquid. In a building, depressurization can help prevent the spread of smoke or fire by removing air and limiting the supply of oxygen to the flames.